Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, coming from England to tell you all about the Robin wig by Noriko. And the color on Robin today is marble brown. Now, before I get too far ahead of myself, I want to show you what this wig looks like in this natural light, and then we'll talk about the color. Okay, so let's talk about marble brown for a moment. Marble brown is a different color depending on which line you're ordering. Some of you already know this, much to your chagrin probably, because you probably realized this when you tried to switch from like Noriko to Amore. The Amore version of this color is a little bit ashier, and it doesn't have such a dramatic gradient between the top of the wig to the tips. It is quite dramatic in the Noriko line. So as you can see, it's a little bit warmer. Has a little bit of caramel brown in there. Marble brown, let me zoom in so I can kind of show you a little bit better, is a blended light brown. It's got little bits of blonde in it. It's got a little bit of golden brown. It's got a little bit of medium brown. It's got all sorts of things all mishmashed together with, in this case, the Noriko version of this color, caramel brown is in it a lot, so it gives it kind of a warm tone. And then as you get gradually closer to the tips, you get more of that caramel to the point where it's almost exclusively that caramel color. So that's the difference there between the base and the tip. This is kind of a dramatic color in the Noriko line, as you can tell. Very pretty on a long wig like Robin. Now, Taz, another video blogger, did a really great job of talking about how this wig, the Robin, is slightly different from her sister wig, the Angelica, both of which are Noriko wigs. For one thing, Robin doesn't have nearly as much permatease on top. This is a permatease wig with a standard cap, and I'll show you when I take it off. But the hair density on Robin is much lighter. It's much more natural. She doesn't have the same kind of glam wave pattern that Angelica has. So not only due to the lighter amount of hair you're getting and the lighter permatease, but the texture of the hair itself lends itself to just being sleek and straight, like a really nice, naturally straight wig. I mean, it lays really, really naturally for such a long wig. Angelica looks like you had it blown out at a salon. It's a little bit more glam. This is everyday casual kind of hair. So let's talk some specs. This is totally a boob hugging wig. I mean, absolutely. The overall length from the top to the bottom is 25 inches. That is really, really super duper long. So the bangs are 4.5 inches, so you can actually wear them down. It's a little windy though, so I had them swept off to the side. But that's what that bang looks like down. It's very nice and wispy. It's a good length too. I would probably have to trim it personally, but that's because I have a really short forehead. And the nape is 17 inches. This has a really modest ponytail, by the way. Let me go ahead and show you how thick that is. So definitely a modest amount of hair on this wig. So it should come as no surprise that this long wig, ultra long, boob hugging wig weighs about as much as a normal mid-length because of the light hair density. This is only a 4.5 ounce wig. That's like nothing. So let me go ahead and take Robin off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. So, as I mentioned, closed top. So standard cap, open on the sides, open in the back. She does not have an extended nape. There is felt back here, but it's merely for your comfort. It adjusts like a bra strap, so no Velcro. She does have closed lace ear tabs. Generous amount of permatease on Robin, but not as much as on most Noriko wigs. When I put her back on, you'll be able to see that she doesn't have that telltale round shape that most Noriko wigs have. This is much, much more soft. I'm gonna go ahead and comb through this a little bit. The hair is baby fine, moves really well, because I mean, look how delicate that is. How well that moves in the wind. Just a beautiful texture for such a straight wig. And the hair feels very nice for the price point. So if you're in the market for a wig that looks natural, even though it's ultra long and straight, moves this well in the wind, and doesn't cost a small fortune, Robin is a great way to go. And she's much more natural looking on than the Angelica. And she just goes right into place, even though wind can't knock her down. This is a great little wig. So, there you have it. I'll kind of do my romance novel bit. So you can see it blowing around with the bay behind me, the British flag. It's like totally mermaid story material. So anyhow, I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. This has been my review of the Robin wig by Noriko. In the color marble brown, which is a great color, and I will eventually make a video that showcases the differences between the marble brown in the 3 lines. But for now, this is just the Noriko version. And until next time, please check out my wig store, www.CysterWigs.com, and I hope you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye!